Traditional sports shoes are typically composed of over 10 different materials and shoe parts, some of which are non-recyclable, leading to significant environmental pollution when discarded. To address this issue, this technology utilizes recycled PET as a material source and successfully develops low-carbon rTPEE materials through chemical depolymerization and repolymerization with bio-based monomers. The new material can create lightweight and highly elastic midsoles through physical foaming, boasting a rebound rate of 68%. Furthermore, by compounding the material, the anti-slip and wear-resistant performance can be further enhanced, allowing for the production of recyclable outsoles that meet the requirements of jogging shoes. Through collaboration with Pachin Group, this technology has also achieved the development of single-material sports shoes, and it has been confirmed that low-carbon shoes can be directly recycled. As a testament to its innovation and environmental benefits, the recyclable shoe technology received recognition as a finalist for the 2022 R&D 100 Award. By offering low-carbon and recyclable shoe solutions, this technology effectively addresses the pollution caused by waste polyester materials and discarded shoes.